and sitting next to me is Anna from Kiel. Welcome to the Silver Rudder.
Thank you.
Tell me, what motivated you to sign up for the Silver Rudder?
Actually, I sailed a lot the last years, and I think there is not many women sailors, so I like to represent the women that can sail.
Well, Sebastian, welcome to the Silver Rudder.
Hi. Hi.
Thanks for letting me talk to you today. Sebastian, this is your first Silver Rudder, I believe?
Yeah, that's my first Silver Rudder.
And how old are you?
I'm 16.
Hey,
16,
fantastic.
like for 3 weeks, I think.
Hey, fantastic. Martin, why the Silver Rudder? What does it mean to you?
Yeah, Silver Rudder is everything. It's the most magical moment for us in the year by sailing it, and that's why we are here. I want to continue also with it. Yeah, it's a beautiful event. It's magical.
So what are your thoughts about competing in a way bigger boat?
I think I'll just try and do my best, really. I don't know what to expect. It's a new fleet, and I don't know all the guys in the large category, so it's just sort of, have a go at it and then go as fast as possible. And
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Silver Rudder 2024. I've certainly looked forward to seeing you. I don't recall that we ever ran out of chairs before, and I'm not sure if this is a record number of participants. There are 359 boats that have arrived in the harbour. Congratulations for getting here. The weather's been fantastic and it's going to continue to be fantastic. We've got a great event lined up for you. So thanks for coming here.
Silver Rudder 2024, line honors, winner of the extra large class. How does it feel?
Yeah, it feels great. I mean, this year has been really a challenge with all the light winds.
Lerke has just completed the Silver Rudder for what the second time now?
Second time, yeah.
What was it like?
This year was really cool. I think we had like so many different conditions.
Cool. Well, you just came in, brand new boat. How did you do?
I think it was an awesome race.
So if you had to say a few words to somebody else who was considering sailing the Silver Rudder, what would you say?
Do it.
Well, you just finished the Silver Rudder 2024. How does it feel?
Oh, tired, but happy.